Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting into the router quickly. Log in using the router IP and admin credentials. Once logged in, navigate to wireless or Wi-Fi settings. This is where band options live. Make sure you use a wired connection or a stable wireless session so changes don't drop mid-process. You need to identify the 5 GHz network entry. Note SSID and password if you'll reuse them. This step prevents accidental lockout and sets the stage to change the operational band reliably. Once done locating the wireless band controls, switch the active radio from 5 GHz to 2. 4 GHz or enable the 2. 4 GHz radio if it was disabled. Make sure to set channel width to 20 MHz and pick channel 1, 6, or 11 to minimize interference. If your router groups SSIDs, you can assign the same name and password to keep devices seamless. Otherwise, create a clear SSID for 2, 4 GHz and save credentials. After adjusting settings, apply or save and wait for the router to commit the change. You finish by reconnecting your phones, laptops, and EOT devices to the 2, 4 GHz network you set up. Make sure each device's saved network is updated so it doesn't try 5 GHz again. Test range and basic throughput to confirm expected behavior. If devices fail to connect, reboot the router and the device, then forget and rejoin the SSID. If issues persist, revert settings or perform a factory reset as a last resort. Remember, rebooting and clearing old network profiles usually resolves most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.